Good morning, all. Today I am going to teach a good story. The ashes that made trees bloom. Now we move on to the story. Many years ago, there lived an old Japanese couple. What is the meaning of the word couple? Here, couple means pair, husband and wife, who were rice farmers and had a pet dog. They loved the dog like a baby, and the dog loved them back with all its heart. The woman made it a cushion of blue crepe. Crepe means cloth. At mealtime, the dog sat on it. How did the good old couple look after their pet? The good old couple loved their pet dog like their own son. The woman made it a cushion of blue crepe. The rice farmer was kind to all living things and fed the birds on his farm. One day, the old farmer was working in his rice fields. The dog pawed the rice farmer. Pawed. Pawed means to touch. The dog pawed the rice farmer, trying to draw his attention to a particular spot. Spot means place. I will explain again. The dog pawed the rice farmer, trying to draw his attention to a particular place. The rice farmer followed the dog to the spot. Spot means place. Then the dog started digging at the earth with its paws. The rice farmer dug his hoe in the ground. Hoe means a tool for digging, and found a glittering pile of gold. How did the old man come by the treasure? The old man was a farmer, so he went to his fields every day. His pet dog followed him and kept nearby. One day the dog ran to him. It was motioning with his head to a spot behind. At one spot, the dog began to scratch the ground. The old man dug there. Then he came by a treasure of gold. The rice farmer and his wife invited their friends to a feast to celebrate their new wealth. Now, a wicked couple. Wicked means cruel or bad. Now, a wicked couple also lived in the same village. When they heard about the gold, they decided to get the dog to find a treasure for them. They dragged the frightened dog to their house and tried to feed him, but he refused to eat. When they took him outside, the dog began digging under a pine tree. The old couple began digging quickly, hoping to find buried treasure. Instead, they found a dead kitten buried in the ground. They were so angry with the dog that they killed him. Then they buried the dog in the hole near the pine tree. Why did the wicked old couple kill the dog? The wicked old couple were greedy. The reason was that the dog had made their neighbor very rich. They expected it to do the same for them. However, what they got was a dead kitten. The dog's owner wept and mourned the death of his dear dog. That night, the dog appeared in the old rice farmer's dream. He told the rice farmer to cut down the pine tree and make a bowl and a handmill from its wood. B-O-W-L. Correct pronunciation, ball, not bowl. It is used to crush substances. The next morning, the farmer cut down the tree and used the pine wood to make a bowl and handmill. The old farmer couple decided to make some rice pastry and bean sauce for New Year. Bean sauce means a sauce made by crushing beans. The old man began mashing some boiled rice in the pine wood bowl. Mashing means crushing substances. After a while, the lump of crushed rice turned into gold coins. Then the old woman decided to grind the boiled beans using the pine wood hand mill. What happened? Every drop of bean sauce turned into gold. The rice farmer and his wife were rich once again. Then the jealous neighbors, who were they? The wicked couple. They borrowed the pine wood bowl and hand mill from the old rice farmer. They began crushing rice in the pine wood bowl. The mashed rice turned into a stinging heap of worms. Instead of gold, here, worms. Angrily, they chopped up the wooden hammer to use as firewood. Chopped means cut. After some days, the dog's spirit appeared in the old farmer's dream again. He told the old man that his neighbors had burned the pine tree bowl and mill. The dog instructed the rice farmer to sprinkle the ashes of the pine tree on dead trees to make them bloom. Bloom means flower. The rice farmer requested the wicked couple to give him some of the ashes of the burned handmill. The wicked couple, the cruel couple, angrily allowed him to do so. The rice farmer went home and sprinkled a pinch of the ashes on his barren cherry tree. What happened? Immediately, the cherry tree had beautiful and fragrant pink flowers. One day, the landlord was passing by the rice farmer's village. The rice farmer did not kneel down on the road to show respect to the landlord as was the custom. Instead, he climbed up a dried cherry tree. Just as the landlord's royal cart approached, the rice farmer sprinkled some ashes on the dried cherry tree. What happened? The tree blossomed immediately. The landlord was very happy. He thanked the rice farmer and gave him many gifts. Again, the greedy neighbors, the wicked couple, they decided to imitate the old man. That greedy man, he collected some ashes from his fireplace. One day, another landlord's procession was passing by on the highway. The wicked man climbed a dry cherry tree. He threw some ashes on the tree. But nothing happened. Instead, the landlord and his wife began to sneeze. The landlord's soldier beat the wicked man to death. That was the end of wicked man's life. But the old rice farmer, he was so good. He lived happily for long years with his wife. This is the end of the story. Thank you.